In front of me is OnePlus Ace 3 and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. Begin by opening settings and scrolling down to access security and privacy. Then scroll down again to access device unlock and click on face and fingerprint unlock at the bottom. Now select face section, enter your screen lock and choose continue at the bottom. Remember to keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. Now hit done. Manage all of those options however you want to and go back. So finally, when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!